AJ here. I want to show you how to use our new PreFlight tool to do some knockouts so you can get that good feel, set the image you need on that color background or that piece of apparel, and really make that image work for you. So just as an example here, let's look at, how about this image? So let's just say I want to put this on a black. Now I can simply remove the background, but that might not remove this PRO transfers here. So if I want to remove the black, what I'm going to do is launch the PreFlight. Launch PreFlight. It's going to bring me into this other page here. I'm going to simply upload that same image that I did on the other end, and what you'll see here is that it shows up with that black background. So what I'm going to do is select remove color here, and I'm going to kind of pick that black right there, and boom, we now have all the black removed. It's knocked out of the Pro there, and you might see a little bit of that black shading, and again, you can increase a little bit more of the black variance that it's grabbing right there. Once you get it to where you need it and want it, you'll simply download the edited image, go back to the ordering site, remove the one you had in there, and simply upload your image. Cool, you can see that right there. You'll change the size, change the quantity, add it to your cart, and you're good to rock and roll.